সুধী ওয়ারিয়র আজকের অনুষ্ঠানে
Sibusangi coba sing tiprasangi oh hani busangi oh hao sing bebas tiprasa Thancha tonang nango oh Thancha khaile rokno joto khabai khukbai kai sing borogno tini lamsogo borogno sing tini Bubara long live tini TIPRA Mothano Thancha Mega the Hadis
A section of IPFT faction that is left behind from under TIPRA are also in talks with your party. What do you think will be that?
They are not in talks until they are supporting the government. Any MLA which is in talks, which is sitting with the government, cannot be talking to us. So this is very clear. We want whoever wanted to come have come. Whoever still are waiting for their term to end, well, it is for them to decide. But it will get too late because people also want to see: are you coming for position or power, or are you coming because you support the cause of the people? That is very clear.
So earlier you have been even repeatedly appealing for Thancha, and that too only after 1 year of your party's formation. You have earlier also said that there are attempts to break Thancha. Who do you think are doing these attempts, and how
people
far are
who have
confident?
money but no commitment. You can buy a few leaders. You cannot buy a whole community by pushing in money. And I'll tell you, when I talk about Thancha, I also would like to, through your media, say that we have never been against any community. And that's why we got tremendous support from the Bengali community, the Muslim community, the Cha Bagan and the Manipuri community in Surma. And that is because since we have come to power, no non-Tiprasa's house has been destroyed. There has been no band called by TIPRA Mothano. We have not indulged in violence. Violence, what you are seeing, is happening in Agartala, is happening in Melarmat, it is happening in Udaipur, it is happening in Pani Sagar. No Muslims mosque has been demolished.